Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from FarhatLectures.com. John owns all the outstanding voting stock of Dennis. On September 7th, X3, John sold the land at a cost of 82 to Dennis for 100,000. When should John recognize the 17,500 intercompany sale of land for consolidating reporting purposes? Now be careful, the question is consolidating reporting purposes. What are we looking at here? We're looking at John as the parent and Dennis as the subsidiary. We sold the land, we transferred the land to Dennis, and when we transferred this land we had a gain. But remember, John and Dennis are one entity, so for reporting purposes the only time we can report this gain as on the consolidated financial statement is when the land actually leaves this group. So when John sold it to Dennis, no. When John sold it to Dennis, John would recognize the gain, but not on the consolidated. So A is out. When Dennis sells the land to a third party, either inside or outside the group, no. You have to be careful. Dennis could sell this land to XYZ, who could be inside this group. So we have to be careful. It has to be outside. That's out. The intercompany gain of the land must never be recognized. No, it will be eventually recognized if sold to an outside party. When Dennis sells land to a third party outside the group, yes, that's correct. So the answer is D. Now, if you're using Farhat Lectures, you can ask the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ for you, and this is the power of Farhat Lectures. With AI, you could have additional resources, additional features that will help you understand, practice, retain. Don't shortchange yourself. Farhat Lectures is your ultimate resource to your CPA, CMA, or accounting student. Invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At FarhatLectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.